Alex, we did have a question come in about just can we see one more time
Yeah.
where a person would go to edit the profiles?
All right. So in my web browser, I've gone to teams.ingage.io, and I'm going to go down to manage. And if I want to update an individual user's profile, I'll just go onto their row and hit the little arrow there. And this is the new button. We've added a profile button. So you'll see it's got a little user icon and the word profile. You hit that. And then for each of your reps, you can go in there and add their bio, their email address, headshot, phone number.
So this is the user information.
the
User
user, right.
profiles exist under manage users. And
Yep.
then you'll click into each user to change that.
Yep. Yeah. So like, let's see, does Alan have a profile yet? Alan does not have a
Yeah,
profile.
there's what a blank one looks like in that company. Yeah.
Let's go there.
Fantastic. And
Just
fear
fill it
not,
out.
there are support articles to help with this. We can definitely send you some resources
Yeah.
if you have any questions as you're trying this out.
Yep. Yeah, we've got great training that's launching alongside this as well. And if I want to update a team, I'll just go to manage teams, choose the team, hit the pencil to edit it, and choose
Yep.
profile. And so then here's the team profile for Philadelphia. So, if I want to have a picture of Pat's and Gino's instead of this Colonial Street, you add a person in your team, you swap out this image, it updates in the presentation automatically. You can upload an insurance image, update your review, warranty image, location name. Yeah, you just go through and update that for each of your teams. And it's really all there is to it.
So a question that may come up that I'll answer ahead of time here is, can users, an end user update their own profile? So right now it's limited to the administrators, and we've done that specifically because users typically don't have access to teams where administrators are setting and managing that kind of information. So there's another nice here is that you get to review and see all the information as an administrator going in. Hopefully you trust your reps, but maybe not. So you'll always have administrative oversight